Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Shillong Cricket Association hene kasngi kalapan ko Burom ya James PK Sangma hadian ba ula sya jid kum president ka Meghalaya Cricket Association ka jela. Ha kani ka jimpen ko Burom lawan banya dan benta da kidikot jong ka Shillong Cricket Association kentop ya president uba Peter McDonald ke Sawian haringkat kinongkit kam. Habakran ha kani kasngi James PK Sangma ulapan pa ka jing songu ka bakraw ya ka SCA na kabenta ka jing pen ko Burom bad na kabenta ka jing shania ka bakila binshet hau banyalam ya ka MCA ulapan pa ru ka jing angnu jang bad pen klan ya ka cricket ha ka jela bad pentikna baun ai ka jing IT lut hakikam balapan khamti hau.
The President of the Shillong Cricket Association, Peter McDonald, the other members of the Shillong Cricket Association seated here along with me, Andri, Alex, you, of course, all the other dear friends of the Shillong Cricket Association. First of all, I'd like to thank Almighty God for this wonderful day and for this opportunity that I am getting to meet all of you, of course on the pretext of this felicitation program. I'm very grateful to Bamak and his entire team at the Shillong Cricket Association for this felicitation program. I feel very humbled and I'm very grateful to all of you for giving me this honor and for all the warm words of appreciation and the words of encouragement that you have expressed and the faith that you have put in me as I try to lead Meghalaya Cricket Association and of course on larger context the entire cricketing fraternity and the game of cricket and its growth in Meghalaya. And for this, I would like to seek the support of not just the Shillong Cricket Association and its esteemed members, but everyone, including our players, including all the people associated with cricket in our state. For me, the confidence and the faith that has been expressed by the members of the Shillong Cricket Association, it means a lot. It is a very serious responsibility that I feel that I have to shoulder during my tenure as the president of the Meghalaya Cricket Association. And I assure each and every one of you that I will be giving it my 100% and I will constantly seek your guidance and will constantly seek your support as we try to move forward. There are so many things that still need to be done and so many challenges that are still present in terms of cricket and its growth in the state of Meghalaya. And I have been saying this time and again, and I cannot stress enough on the fact that Meghalaya and the game of cricket completely has been and is still very much dependent on the role that the associations, be it the districts or the Shillong Cricket Association, they will be playing as we take this forward. And right now, as we have seen, that the Shillong Cricket Association isn't just the oldest cricket association in the state of Meghalaya and of course in the entire northeast, but is also the most active and the biggest cricket association in our state. And this is the kind of role that Shillong Cricket Association and of course the other smaller districts also have been playing in terms of the growth of cricket. And I want to lay stress on this fact that for me as a president of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, I truly believe that it is only in the growth and it is only in the activities of the Shillong Cricket Association and the other district cricket associations that we will see changes coming forward. And that's why my number one priority as I go forward as in my role as the president of the Cricket Association is to look at how we can collaborate with all the districts, with Shillong Cricket Association as the most active and the largest association, as to how we can share experiences and also get to know about the different difficulties that you are facing and find solutions to those collectively. So this is not going to be a show where Meghalaya Cricket Association will be taking decisions on their own. No, I want to make this absolutely clear that as we go forward, it will be on the basis of consultation and collaboration with all the cricket associations which are affiliated to the Meghalaya Cricket Association. We are very kind. We are very grateful. Sorry, for the kindness and the support that we're getting from BCCI. And I would like to put it on record that the BCCI has been extremely supportive of the Meghalaya Cricket for all the activities of the Meghalaya Cricket Association. But as we go forward, we will work together with the associations, and we will look at how we can lay out the roadmap and the blueprint for growth of cricket in our state. And for that, I'm very excited. And once again, I seek and solicit the support of all the associations and all the districts. I am available 24/7. My mobile number is always on. And this is what I want to also reach out to our players, to our support staff, and of course to all the members of the district. If there is anything, please feel free to reach out to me. And I believe that that is the only way that we will be able to make this whole system, not just the Meghalaya Cricket Association, but also the districts and the other cricket associations more robust and more meaningful and more effective if we keep interacting. So please feel free to reach out to me. Concerns, be it even the smallest of concerns, still I would like to and love to listen to each and every one of you. So please feel free to reach out to me. And once again, I would like to thank Peter McDonald and the entire team in Shillong Cricket Association for this wonderful felicitation program. I'm deeply touched, and once again, I assure all of you of my 100% support, and also as we go forward, that I will be dedicating all my efforts towards the betterment of cricket in the state of Meghalaya. And look forward to it, because today the youth of our state, they are so passionate, and there is this increasing and this growing sense of passion towards cricket in Meghalaya, and that is what we need to urgently tap. So I'm really, really excited about this role as MCA president that has been with God's grace provided to me. And thank you everyone once again. God bless each and every one of you. God bless our state of Meghalaya.